Alright, got this big package to unbox. And it came all the way from the EU. And it's a Twistball puzzle. If you don't know what a Twistball puzzle is, I'll show you once I get this open. Alright, nothing else in here. This is the Twistball puzzle. Now, okay. I'm a little skeptical about this because this package seems to be already open and it doesn't have the normal packaging that you see from this Twistball. The Twistball when you order them. But anyway, I got the puzzle. And now, let me explain what I'm planning on doing with this puzzle once I get the camera all situated. So, right now, camera's all situated and stuff. So now what I'm planning on doing is taking this apart, cutting parts of this so that there's like holes in these triangle part of it. Sort of like this piece right here, but instead of it being just a slit, it's actually gonna be all opening all the way around so that it's like a big hole opening, a big triangular hole opening for the triangle pieces. And I might do the same for the oval pieces, because this puzzle is like, it's hollow on the inside, and it just works on the principles of railing. And the first turns of this, it's actually really decently good turning. And I chose this color configuration because it's the easiest to work with for what I'm doing. But they do have all these other different color combinations, as you see from what's on the stand. So yeah. And this is my unboxing of the Twistball puzzle.